Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing your assignments nicely with help of your parents. Now today we are going to start a new thing, which is your copies for the first time. And you can see these are the two copies. One is maths copy and one is pattern copy. Both look like this big block copy. These are the big blocks. Both are same, as you can see. Both the pattern copy and maths copy are looking same, but today we are going to start with the pattern copy. We will write on pattern copy because the topic which are to be started today are standing line and sleeping line. So we are going to start with the pattern copy. All right. Now we will start with the first topic, that is standing line. Before starting, we will write the date on which we are going to write this. Suppose you are writing this on 11th of June. So we'll write 11/06/2020, and I request the guardians to kindly draw these lines and the dots so that kids can make these standing lines by tracing on them. I will now guide you how to make this standing line. These are the standing line. You can use sketch pen of any color so that it makes the children little fun in studying. You have to make these lines top to bottom like this, ऊपर से नीचे, top to bottom, and after that make some dots like this in straight line on which the kids will go to write. And after that make these dots in straight lines on which the kids will trace and make these standing lines. Make these dots like this. Now after you made these lines and these dots, help the kids to trace these lines with the help of crayons, as they are the beginners and they are writing for the first time. Let them write with the crayons, not with the sketch pen or pencil. Avoid pencils or sketch pen this time. Use crayons. Let them do it with the crayons, and you can also hold their hands as they are writing for the first time and help them in tracing these dots like this. The kids will do with this crayons like this, top to bottom. Also tell them not to do like this. This is wrong. नीचे से ऊपर नहीं करना है. They have to do ऊपर से नीचे like this. This is the right way to do standing lines. Now in that same pattern copy, we will start with the sleeping lines. Suppose you are writing it on 12th of June. So we will write 12 June 2020. And I request the parents to kindly draw these sleeping lines with a sketch pen like this. Please use these colorful sketch pens, as kids find some fun in doing these activities. Now you have to make these dots like this for the kids so that they can trace on these dots. As you see, you have made these dots. Now you can give different color of crayons to the kids and help them to draw these lines like this. Hold their hand and help them to trace these dots like this. And tell them to draw from left to right, left to right. This is the right way to do it. This is not right. Right to left is not correct. Left to right is correct. So kindly tell them the right way to do these lines. Now you know how to do standing line and sleeping line. Now you have to do these standing line and sleeping lines in your pattern copy at your home with the help of your guardian. Thank you.